What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP. Today we have something really special, a product review from a company called IWISS. And today they sent me something that I've actually desperately need. It's going to be a heavy gauge wire crimper, and it also has a wire stripper in here. Now, being in the automotive industry, we crimp wires every single day, especially when you're installing amplifiers. So let's go ahead and jump into what's all inside this case. Nice, light, hard shell. Looks like it's going to be very durable, so if I drop it's going to protect whatever tool I have inside. Nice for if you're doing any type of mobile or field work. Next, it has indented plots for all the equipment that's supposed to go in here. This is going to be the actual heavy gauge crimper. Now the cutter is going to be at the top, then it actually has interchangeable dies in the middle. There's 6, 4, 2, and 1, 8, 1/0 and 2/0. Lastly, 3/0 and 4/0 wire. And not only do you get a nice hexagon crimp, but if you look on the inside, we have some indented labeling. So every time you crimp down on your battery lug terminal, it's going to have an indented marking letting you know which die you just got done using. So I think that's a pretty nice touch. This piece right here is screwed into the case, and you can house anything in here. I can put my interchangeable dies. I want to put some 0 gauge lugs or some. And last but not least, we have a nice iCrimp wire stripper right here. This thing is so sharp.